Welcome back to Primetime Sports Wednesday. The nation's team was dealt an injury blow 2 days ahead of the start of the World Athletics Championships in Tokyo, Japan. Our reporter in Japan, Jermaine Brown, filed this report.
So Jamaica's two-time World Championship 400-meter hurdles bronze medalist Rushell Clayton has been forced to withdraw from the Tokyo 2025 World Championships due to a lingering injury which he has been unable to recover from in time for these championships in Tokyo. Team manager Ian Forbes has confirmed the setback and has described it as a major blow to Jamaica's medal prospects. Of course, Clayton won bronze at the Doha 2019 World Championships and Budapest 2023. It's further understood that alternate Sanique Walker would have taken Clayton's spot on the track, but Forbes has also explained that due to logistical reasons, Walker will not be able to replace Clayton in the women's 400-meter hurdles. Once again, this is a major blow to Jamaica's medal prospects here at the Tokyo 2025 World Championships. Meanwhile, Forbes has explained that all other athletes have turned up and have reported for these championships. No reports of injury concerns either. So that is the very latest from Tokyo, Japan. Of course, the site for the World Athletics Championships 2025. I am Jermaine Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.